6 steps to creating a video. Making videos might seem intimidating, consuming, or just plain scary, but if you do it right, it can be a great way to engage your audience. Follow these steps to creating your video. Find your topic. Think of your topic. If you're being murdered and write your sketch. Write the different scenes that you will shoot and the lines will create correct. Shoot each scenes. Shoot footage your each scenes of your video. Editing the video and correct them there step by step and create them. Add music or audio. Effect good music on your videos are good. Final touch and any final touch or substitute need. I hope you like it. Have a fun. Bye bye.